my God, no locusts on the menu.
I will tell you before this, you don't have to worry, the grocery store was out of crickets.
Thank God.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna blindfold you.
Yeah. It's all yours now, you take over.
Okay. And I'm gonna feed you some of my, I guess not my favorite snacks, some classic Mexican snacks. I haven't even had half of these. So.
Okay, great. All right.
Okay, so this is the first one. I actually really like these. Wait, hold on, I'm gonna open it first. Okay.
I'm so scared.
Okay. I don't even know if these are good. Oh yeah, I love those. What do you think it is? I love these.
It's like sour
do you
and
like
lemon and chili.
Do you like it?
Is it a bean? It's a bean.
Ding, ding. It is. It's called habas con chile. It's a fava bean. Do you want to look at it?
Oh my God, they're so red.
Yeah. Sometimes they're saltier. These are pretty limey.
Very limey.
Yeah.
Delicious.
I can eat a bucket of these. It's just
better now I see them. The taste is better now. I'm like, I
okay.
know they are.
Okay. Well, out of 10, what do you rate that one?
Do you know what? Maybe like a 6.
Yeah, you didn't love that one.
No, I did actually like it.
Yeah. You don't have. I didn't make it. You don't
That
have to
sour bean tasted quite good.
This is the second one. I actually. This isn't my favorite thing, but it could be your favorite thing.
Okay. It's like vinaigrette. Another vinaigrette.
Okay, open it.
Okay.
It's a spoon you can bite down.
Oh, cool.
I don't know if you want the whole thing. I don't know if you want the whole thing.
I didn't get any of it.
Oh, you didn't. Oh God, it's really.
Ow!
I'm trying. It's really on there. Holy shit. Okay. Can't believe I make it.
What the fuck is that? What's that?
I'm choking on the hat. What do you think it is?
I do like it.
Okay.
It's like, I do like it actually. But I feel like, is it a snack?
It's more of a
Is that
candy.
something that people snack on?
Yeah.
Right. So
Do you
it's
wanna look
sour.
at
Is it like, it's sugary? I have no idea. Is it like watermelon?
It's like
Spicy watermelon?
it's tamarindo. It's pretty classic. Like it's a very traditional Mexican dessert, and you can put it like in drinks and stuff.
Interesting.
I don't like it at all.
Oh, you don't like
No.
it? I quite like it actually.
Okay, cool.
Kind of savoury.
Good.
Right, out of 10. 7.
Okay. These. Okay. Open up. You know, I'm gonna eat one with you at the same time because I haven't even had this. Let me see.
Well, it's sweet, isn't it?
Oh yeah, you hate sweet.
Yeah.
You want to spit it out? You can spit it out.
Well, I'll have
You can just.
Yeah. I had half of it.
Okay.
I mean, it's just like a regular sweet, that one, isn't it? It's like everything's sour. Why is everything sour?
We love limon.
Oh, it's lemony. Actually, that's not bad as a sour sweet. I'll give it 4.
Oh, okay. Oh, you really don't like sweet.
I don't like candy.
Oh my God, I'm a freak for candy.
Are you?
Oh yeah. What flavor was it?
It's like mango.
Close. It was a. Do you want to look?
Papaya?
It was a tahini covered peach ring.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's so
You know tahini?
exotic. Yes.
Yeah. You put it on fruit. You can put it on vegetables.
How red that is.
Yeah.
That's insane. Does it make your tongue go red? No.
Okay. Oh shit.
I love it. Whatever it is, I fucking love it. It's like a pretzel.
You want another one?
Yeah. Oh, I can feel it now.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a knick-knack.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a wrapper crisp.
Yeah.
Is it a wrapper crisp?
No. It's a,
Is
oh,
it
it's the Rick
Twiddler?
Ross chips. It's a little more iconic than that. We have
It's a fucking Cheeto, isn't it?
It's close.
Is it party mix or something?
Well, they're good, huh?
What is it?
It's called the Taki.
I've never had it.
Wait, let me show you the bag. Do you want to look at it? It's a little corn. It's a tortilla rolled in chili.
Oh my god, they're delicious.
Really good, right? This is the best. Where's that bag? Takis. Mm-hmm.
Again,
You can
chili
find-
and lime,
Chili and lime.
the classic combo.
Yeah, but this works really well. Do you want? I'm gonna put 2 in your mouth. These are like my favorite thing. Whenever I go to Mexico as a kid, I would eat buckets of them.
So it's a nut of some sort, the peanut,
Mm-hmm.
with a shell, with an over shell.
Mm-hmm.
But no lemon present.
No lemon.
And no chili present.
No.
Are you sure it's Mexican?
No, it's not actually. But it's just a really popular treat in Mexico. But
Yeah.
it's not Mexican.
Very nice.
You're so smart. It's called cacahuates japoneses, Japanese peanuts. And it has a soy sauce shell.
Yeah.
And they're all different. I have like 3 other kinds over there, but the ones that are dark are my favorite because they're the most salty.
They're delicious.
They're good, right?
Yeah. The crisps were like a 10,
Okay.
and they're like an 8.
Nice. I'm with you on that.
Okay.
Second to last one. Okay. I don't know how good this one is because they're made differently everywhere. This was picked up later in the day, so it's not as fresh. I shouldn't have said anything. Open wide.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
Wow. They're dry.
It looked really dry.
Incredibly dry.
Oh, that looks really dry. I'm so sorry. I just put that in your mouth.
It's a donut. It's a donut.
I'm just gonna say yes. It's there's these sweetbreads that they have, and there's a bunch of different kinds. But this one I used to eat all the time growing up. It's called a concha because it looks like a shell. Do you want to look at it? It looks really dry.
Oh.
Yeah.
I mean, it was actually very nice.
There are some really beautiful ones that are like.
It was actually very nice.
Yeah.
A little bit
looks
old,
really
but...
dry. Sorry.
No worries. I mean, that sounds like another bread item. Is it?
You're.
That's really nice. Another cake. Quite plain. Excuse me. Yeah, it's quite sort of plain. It doesn't really have a. Is this a? Oh my god! I don't
Please keep this in. Please keep that in.
Let me have another bite.
My mouth hurts.
Oh no! Actually, sorry. That is deeply, deeply deliciously
My
chocolatey
face
goodness.
hurts. Out of 10? I'm kidding.
Listen, it was way better the second time round. I think I've just had so much lemon and chili in my mouth.
Yeah.
Like anything would taste plain, do you know what I mean? 10 out of 10,
Oh,
definitely.
Alright, well, this has been taste testing with us, so,
Thank you for being.
I'm so sorry.
Oh my god, that was. God, and your
I know,
beauty spots.
I know, it made me cry.
Oh, sorry.
What was your favorite snack?
The cookies.